I wonder how an American pronounces recipe, receipt, prescription. I wonder how an American pronounces recipe. In a recipe, you find instructions for making something, such as a food dish, by combining various things. Recipe. My mother never used a written recipe for making my favorite food, plum dumplings. Recipe. What's your recipe for success? Hard work. I wonder how an American pronounces receipt. A receipt is a piece of paper with a list of things you bought. It shows the price of each item plus the total amount paid. Receipt. Keep your receipt in case you want to return an item to the store. Receipt is related to the verb to receive. I wonder how an American pronounces prescription. A doctor writes a prescription. The doctor then sends the prescription to a pharmacy, drugstore. Prescription. The pharmacist, druggist, fills the prescription. The patient then goes to the drugstore to pick up the prescription. Non-prescription. The patient can also buy non-prescription, over-the-counter medicine at the drugstore. Prescription. Once a year I get my eyes checked and get new glasses. This year I even got prescription sunglasses. And now it's your turn. Time to test yourself. Recipe, receipt, or prescription. First you say it, then I'll say it. One. Fill in the blank with the correct word. A doctor writes a prescription. Two. The cashier gave the customer a receipt. Three. A customer picks up a prescription at a pharmacy. Four. Where can I find a recipe for this raspberry dessert? Five. You don't need a prescription to buy over-the-counter medicine. Six. I wear prescription sunglasses. 7. I follow my grandmother's recipe carefully every time. 8. Hold on to your receipt in case you want to return any items. And verb review. Recipe. Find a recipe. Follow a recipe. Use a recipe. Receipt. Give a receipt. Keep a receipt. Hold on to a receipt. Prescription. Write a prescription. Fill a prescription. Pick up a prescription. If you like this video, before you go, hit the thumbs up button and try the quiz for this lesson. Or you might like one of these related lessons.